Mechanical engineer? 5 easy online income ideas. Get their success rates and make or break factors. Earn money online from home. Also, earn money online without investment. Sorted in increasing success rate. Idea 1 of 5. Sell online courses. Share your knowledge. Develop video lectures on engineering fundamentals like CAD, thermodynamics, or fluid mechanics. Sell them on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Success rate 40%. Make or break factor. High quality content and engaging teaching style. Step 1. Choose a specific engineering topic. Step 2. Script engaging lectures and create visuals. Step 3. Film your course and edit for clarity. Step 4. Upload to your chosen platform and set your price. Step 5. Promote your course through social media and engineering forums. Websites to use: Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Idea 2 of 5. Self-publish an ebook. Compile your knowledge into an ebook on a specialized engineering topic like design, analysis, or software applications. Success rate 50%. Make or break factor. Compelling content and effective marketing. Step 1. Select a niche topic within mechanical engineering. Step 2. Write clear and concise content with valuable insights. Step 3. Design a professional cover and format the ebook. Step 4. Choose a self-publishing platform like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Step 5. Price your ebook competitively and market it through targeted advertising. Idea 3 of 5. Sell 3D printing templates. Put your design skills to work. Create 3D printable models, tools, or spare parts relevant to your engineering field and sell them online. Success rate 60%. Make or break factor. Unique and functional designs and active promotion. Step 1. Identify a problem that a 3D printed solution can address. Step 2. Design the model using 3D modeling software. Step 3. Optimize the design for printability and ensure its functionality. Step 4. Upload your design to platforms like Etsy or MyManyFactory. Step 5. Set a competitive price and actively promote your designs through social media. Idea 4 of 5. Launch a YouTube channel or podcast. Share your engineering expertise through informative videos or podcasts. Discuss relevant topics, conduct interviews, or offer tutorials. Success rate 70%. Make or break factor. Consistent content creation and audience engagement. Step 1. Choose a specific engineering niche and research popular content ideas. Step 2. Script engaging episodes and plan high-quality visuals. Step 3. Film or record your content and edit for clarity and flow. Step 4. Upload to YouTube or your chosen podcast platform. Step 5. Promote your podcast through social media and engineering communities. Idea 5 of 5. Sell engineering softwares or apps. This option requires programming skills. Build software tools or mobile applications that cater to specific needs within the engineering field. Success rate 80%. Make or break factor. Addressing a clear need. User-friendly interface and effective marketing. Step 1. Identify a repetitive task or problem in your engineering field. Step 2. Learn the necessary programming languages to build your solution. Step 3. Develop the software with a focus on usability and functionality. Step 4. Launch on relevant app stores or software marketplaces. Step 5. Market your product through targeted advertising and industry publications. In the last video, I discussed online income opportunities for biochemical engineers. Here's the video. Sharing might help your friends. Also, these tools boost your business.